Hello, I'm Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And today's video is going to be a different type of video. I've been away from my channel and social media for about 3 months, and I want to come forward and let you know what's been going on with me. No, I was not missing or in rehab or in witness protection or abducted by aliens. No, none of those things, even though some of them seem like they could probably be a little fun. However, I was, or still am, in a process of growing a human being. Yes, the Divine Manor household is blessed to be able to bring this new addition to our family. So I was under the weather and I didn't do anything. So I'm much better now. I am in my second trimester and I have energy and I'm ready to hit the ground running. So we still have a few hot topic videos that are actually on the pipes to get released. So if you enjoyed my first segment of hot topics that I released a couple months ago, stay tuned. We have some fun things in store. I also have some other videos, product reviews, DIY tutorials, and just conversations with other design professionals and influencers. So I would like to thank you for being one of my followers and sticking tuned and staying with this channel. So please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. And I look forward to continuing this journey with you. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.